What's the meaning of cavalry? Cavalry. Cavalry.
Cavalry. Cavalry. Cavalry refers to a group of soldiers who fight while riding horses. The use of cavalry has been prevalent throughout history, often playing a major role in battles and military strategy. Cavalry units are known for their speed and maneuverability, allowing them to quickly strike enemy positions or pursue retreating forces. The development of modern military technology has decreased the effectiveness of cavalry on the battlefield, but horses remain an important part of many countries' military traditions and ceremonies. Overall, cavalry represents a unique and storied aspect of military history and tactics.